Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Further Maths A-Level January Mock Exam Revision Sheet 3, and here we're working on question 4. So what we want to do first is find the inverse of the matrix A, where A is this matrix here. So the first thing we do with inverses is the determinant of A, so that's the leading diagonal multiplied together, 3AB, take away the other diagonal multiplied together, 2AB, so our determinant here is AB. So we start off the inverse of our matrix here with 1 over AB times by, and then we switch our leading diagonal here, so it's going to be A and the 3B switched around, so 3B and the A here, and we negate the other two values, so minus B and minus 2A. Great. Okay, next one, we want to find x given x, A equals y. We've got y matrix here, so that's okay. We need to get rid of this a though if we want to find x on its own. We do know inverse a though, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post multiply the inverse of a on both sides of my equation at the back. So what I refer to this as is post multiplied by a inverse. Okay, so A inverse is going to be multiplied at the back, and it's really important you have it in that order. If you don't have it in that order, you get the question wrong. So have it in that order. Okay, so A and inverse A will cancel out to an I matrix, and x times I will just give you the x matrix, which is what we want to find, and this will equal y A inverse. So finding this is going to just be the case of multiplying the matrix y, which is A to B to A and B, multiplied by inverse A. And we found inverse A above here, so it's going to be 1 over 2B, and I'll put that, sorry, just 1 over AB, and I'll put that at the front. And times this matrix here, so 3B minus B minus 2A and A. So leaving the 1 over AB at the front here, we get 3AB take away 4AB, so that would be minus an AB. That might cancel later. And we're working along the row here and down the columns in these two. So A times minus B is minus AB, working along and down, so that would be plus 2AB. So minus AB plus 2AB, that would be an AB. And then it was going to be down the bottom row and down the two columns, 6AB take away 2AB, so that would be 4AB. And it's going to be minus 2AB, add an AB, so that would be minus an AB. And it looks like all of these cancel actually, which is really helpful. So x is going to be the matrix minus 1, 1, 4, minus 1. Great, excellent. Okay, so that's 5 marks for that question.